guys? Tony B ZLE back here again. We're going to Cars and Coffee this morning. I'm going to take you guys with me. Car is filthy. It's currently like 42 degrees out, but it's okay. We're vibing. It's going to be a good time. And let's get to it. We got the manual, you know it. Just another day, another check engine light. I don't know, these sensors are, it's always something with these GMs. It's like, I don't know, I think it's an O2 sensor. I didn't use a OEM part, so we'll see. We'll see what the code is. I'm gonna pull it up. But yeah, let's get to it. 40 degrees on the thermostat, and yeah. Driving manual and filming is not easy. Yeah, so we're gonna put the drone up today. Got the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and hopefully get some good shots. Hopefully it's a good turnout. Have a good variety, supercars, muscle cars. We'll see what happens. Actually, I lied about 40 degrees. It's actually 35 degrees. So that's even more fun. Yep.
Dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back door.